Hello, welcome back to iAutoAgent. Right now, we are very pleased to show you this 2014 Ram 1500 quad cab. This vehicle has 76,576 miles. And as you can see, I'm about 4 feet away, and there is definitely nothing that jumps out. This truck has been taken very, very good care of. And it does indeed have the 5.7 liter HEMI V8. I will be showing you anything that's out of the ordinary for under 77,000 miles, and there just isn't very much. So let's take a look inside. Get a shot of this door in a moment. Here we go. In beautiful condition. Very nice. Standard controls. Locks, windows, mirrors. Get a look at this driver's seat. Very, very nice. See all the way around it. And it's got the power adjustments. Let's see if we can get... Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to start it up for that.
Testing. System ready.
Okay, here we go. 76,576 miles. That's 76576. Nice infotainment system. Very nice climate controls. And here's the four-wheel drive, and here's the transmission, automatic transmission, of course. On the dial, push button start. Convenience outlet, and this plethora of controls. Heated seats, ventilated seats. Got a courtesy outlet. And right here I want to show you outlet and USB auxiliary. Fully modern and nice. This is the overhead pod. Get a look at this ceiling. Very nice condition. Got the steering wheel controls. And let's go get a look at the passenger side. Another nice door. And another beautiful seat with power adjustments. Beautiful. Get a shot of this dashboard. And the passenger side rear. Door in very nice condition. And these rear seats look like they've barely been used. Very nice. Get a look at the middle. And we're gonna go around, get a look at the driver's side rear. Very nice. And a look at this seat. Another seat in fantastic condition. Like I said, this vehicle has been taken very, very good care of. And get a look at the back. Mats, extra mats. And there's this. Bed cover. Snaps in. Velcro on the sides. And let's take a listen to this HEMI V8.
Testing. System ready.
Give it just a couple more seconds to warm up. Okay, there we go. All right, let's hear how this HEMI sounds. That's not just healthy, that's authoritative. So let's get a listen up close. Sounds just like it should. Just beautiful. Now look at the heat shield. Very nice. And let's get a look at the tires. This is the driver's side front. Plenty of life left on these tires. Cosmetic. Oh, didn't want to forget Driver's side rear tire. And here is the passenger side rear. And here is the passenger side front. And there you have it. If you have any questions about this 2014 Ram 1500 quad cab, please visit us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.